Hey internet, my apologies, I just got off work, so I'm a bit tired, so I'm just gonna go through today's feature, which is sweeping. I'm gonna go through it pretty quick, so if you find that I'm going too fast, it's just because I'm a little bit tired. Um, and sweeping is a little bit, I guess it's like a advanced technique, so right. So first thing you need to do is you gotta draw your sketch. So nothing fancy here. Um, I'm just gonna add some fillets, and I'll just um, add a spline just for some flavor. You also need to add a plane for this one, so you got to exit sketch and then go plane. So reference point, you can't really see it, but there's the dot, and then if you drop down here, right plane, there's the plane. So yeah, with sweeping you do need a little bit of so it is like a advanced skill, I guess, because it requires you to sketch but then also make a plane as well. Alright, so what you need to do is click on the center point and then click on and then hold control, then click on the path, and then you should have this pierce option, and you click it and then go to features, sweep. Then this drop down will come on, and then you got your profile, so just click on your circle and then your path, which is the sketch that we done, and that's it. That's how you do a sweep. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video with your friends, comment if you have any questions. I'm sure you do because I went really fast. Yeah, my apologies, I just got off work and like it's nearly midnight, so yeah. Um, yeah, okay. So until next time, thanks for watching again. See ya.